back on the Vitro again. It's just how to remove the tea brewer prior to changing the belt, or just generally cleaning the brewer. Make a note of where these go. Just take a little photograph on your phone so you know where they're going. So that's the water. That's the, you get that out, top up water. These just, they've got a little pin in them, turn and lock. And then with the tea, you can just take it off. Just take it off there. So little keyhole slots. There's nothing to undo with the screwdriver or anything. Out the way. Lift that lever up. Pull the brewer out towards you. Put it back as you reverse. If you find that when it goes back it won't quite slot in, you can just turn it by hand and turn the cog there and go back in. And it's just the reverse of that, putting everything back together. That's how you take the brewer off itself. Once it's off, you can take this pot off and clean it. The only way you can clean this is with that off properly. Just give it a wash with some warm soapy water. So that goes back first before you put that back. Tea brewer back, just reverse, just line them with the pins. If that's not going in, just turn it slightly. That's it. Right. And now that locking piece goes on that pin there. Best to give this a bit of a wash when it's off as well. I've done this previously. Let's get that on. Turn. You can see the little piece there. So that the water one hasn't got one, so you can't put it in the wrong place. And you can see the little slots there going either way, so turn it, and then the T elbow back on, and then that's it, it's back on. I'd recommend just doing a brewer flush just to make sure everything's working and that belt is tensioned. If you don't tension the belt, you put it back, it will just spin and the tea leaves will come out as a bubble. Just make sure they're not blocked. I was doing some tests before, it wasn't coming out, that was slightly blocked in there. That's it.